Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enter or exit recovery mode in Samsung A36 or A56. If you are using A36 or A56 and now you want to enter or exit recovery mode, so let's see how can you do this. First of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to any laptop, PC or any other Samsung device. If you are charging cable, just like that, and after that you can easily follow this step. First of all, you have to press and hold volume down and power button at the same time until your screen goes fully black, and then shift your volume down to volume up. So let's see how can you do this. First press volume down and power button at the same time and wait for your screen goes fully black. It will take a while, so you just have to wait for it, and then shift your volume down to volume up and wait for Samsung logo, just like that. Now release all buttons and wait for that. And here's the recovery mode of your phone. So that's how you can easily enter recovery mode. Now if you want to exit that, you must have to use the volume down button, move down, and here just look for power off option and just select that, or you can easily select reboot system now option to reboot your phone. Just press your power button, and after that your phone will be restart and you can easily exit recovery mode. So that's how you can easily enter or exit recovery mode in Samsung A36 or the A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.